Welcome to Property Finance Corp channel. Today, we will discuss your mortgage app. To download your mortgage app, please go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Search your mortgage app and look for the yellow icon with the blue logo that looks like this. Once you download the app and open the app, it should look like this. This is the homepage. On the homepage, you can share the app with your family or friends. You can connect with us on all our social media platforms. You can create an application or contact us with any questions directly from the app. Below is the Apply Now and Contact Us button. You will see the 5 menu icons. Home is the icon where we're currently on. Payment is the mortgage calculator. Max mortgage is the qualifying calculator. Rates shows the available rates in today's market. And under the More icon, it has a calculator to calculate land transfer tax and closing costs, as well as connect with experts directly from the app. Now, let's move to the Payments tab, which is the mortgage calculator. At the very top, above the blue box, you will see a box with an arrow coming out to email your calculations to yourself or anyone of your choosing. Then, at the very top in the middle, you will see the payment frequency chosen. In the blue box at the top, the largest number will show you your estimated monthly mortgage payment. Then, your loan amount. Your loan amount is the home price minus the down payment plus CMHC insurance only if you are paying less than 20% down payment. Include CMHC of is the amount the insurance is charging you for paying less than 20%. The more you pay down, the less CMHC will charge you. So let's use an example. If you're purchasing a home for $500,000 and you would like to put down a minimum amount on the home, in the home price, you would put $500,000. In the down payment, you would put 5%. In the amortization section, you would put 25 years. If you're putting a minimum down, or 30 years, if you are putting 20% or more. Choose from available rates for the current rate options available. For this example, we are using a rate of 4.79% and select the frequency you would like, whether it's monthly, bi-weekly, accelerated, etc. Try this on your calculator and you should be at a monthly payment of $2,814.36. Now, let's move to the Max Mortgage tab, which is the qualifying calculator. When you click Start Stress Test, 4 options will appear. First is insured and insurable, for those putting down less than 20%. Second is conventional, for those putting down 20% or more. Third is contract rate, for those that have specified interest rate in their current mortgage agreement. And fourth, for those who are not sure, you can click I'm not sure, and you will have to select your mortgage goal, whether it's purchase, refinance, renewal, or other. Then it will prompt you to submit a request via email. You will be asked to complete the form in the email with your approximate purchase price, down payment, and phone number, so that someone from our team can contact you with more details. Now, we will continue using the same example from the mortgage payment calculator. So since you are purchasing the home with 5% down payment, we will select Insured/Insurable. At the very top in the blue box, you will see the maximum loan of $39.44, which is the debt to income ratios that is used by the mortgage brokers to determine your ability to afford a mortgage. Then, The largest number will show you an estimate of how much you qualify for. BOC or rate plus 2% means Bank of Canada or your interest rate plus 2%. You will realize on the right side, you will see qualifying rate. That will always be 2% higher than your rate. So our rate is currently at 4.79%, and 2% higher than that is 6.79%. For your gross annual income, you use your combined income. So for example, let's say you're a husband and wife looking for a mortgage. The husband makes $100,000 and the wife makes $100,000. The combined income is adding the total the couple makes together, which is $200,000. The annual property tax varies from property to property. To get a good estimate, we suggest looking at the MLS of a property of interest and using that number. For this example, we will use $3,000. Condo fee needs to be included if you are purchasing a condo townhome, or any home with maintenance fees. This you can also find on the MLS listing. For example, we will use a condo fee of $200. Monthly heat is typically calculated with the square footage of your home divided by 12. Let's say your home is 1,200 square foot. Your monthly heat estimate is $100, which we'll use for this example. Other monthly debts include any debts that would show up on your credit report, including but not limited to mortgages, student loans, car loans, credit cards, line of credits, etc. This debt is the minimum expenses that need to be paid each month. For the credit card debt, we would use 3% of the total balance owed. For this example, we'll use $2,000 as the total monthly debt expense. Just like the mortgage payment calculator, choose from available rates for the current rate options available. For this example, we are going to still use the rate of 4.79%. And for the insured mortgage application, the amortization should be 25 years. For this husband and wife, based on their current gross income, annual property tax of the property of interest in the MLS, the condo fee, the monthly heat, the monthly debt, and current rates available in the market, they would qualify for a loan amount of $710,304, which is shown at the very top. Just to be clear, the loan amount is the mortgage they would qualify for. The purchase price would be $747,699.58. How did I calculate that? Well, the max purchase price is $710,304 divided by 1 minus the down payment percentage, which is 5%. Then the max purchase price would be $747,699.58. Now, what if there's no condo fee? The qualifying rate changes to $724,850, which is a $14,546 difference. The max purchase price would now equal $763,000. Now, moving on to the Rates tab. This shows updated rates in the market. Always refresh at the top right for the latest rates. Now, let's move on to the More tab, which has the land transfer, closing costs, and experts. Land transfer automatically transfers your home price from the mortgage calculator. Then, you have to select the province you are purchasing in. If you are purchasing in Toronto, your land transfer tax is unfortunately doubled. And if you're a first-time buyer, you are eligible for a rebate of up to $4,475. Your lawyer will confirm the max you qualify for closer to your live closing date. With selecting the correct information, you will get your estimated land transfer tax at the top in the blue bar. In this example, if your home purchase price is $500,000, you're purchasing in Toronto, Ontario, and you're a first-time buyer, the total land transfer tax would be estimated at $4,475. Now, moving on to closing costs. It's important to keep in mind that closing costs are estimated and can be adjusted in this tab, but it's recommended to be aware of them in advance, as the exact amount will only be known a week before closing. A general rule of thumb is to save around 2% of the purchase price for these costs. Kindly be advised that in order for the land transfer tax to be included in the closing costs section, you must first update it in the original tab. Lastly, let's move on to experts. Do you need help or want experts' advice? Directly through the app, you can connect with mortgage brokers, mortgage agents, real estate agents, and lawyers to answer all your questions you may have. Now, if you discover this mortgage application to be useful, please share this app to those who may benefit from it in order to assist them in making informed choices regarding their mortgage. Thanks for watching.